I've been on the hunt for some pottery vases to add to my home decor. I've been searching online and I was shocked to see that most of the ones I liked retail for well over $100. If you're anything like me, you don't have $100 to spend on one vase, and frankly, you don't want to. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I duped a couple of high-end vases by making over some that I found at the thrift store for a fraction of the price. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel, Creatively Expressive. My name is Amy, and on my channel I share DIYs, thrift flips, budget decor, and all things creative. Now without any further ado, let's get started. For the first project, I will be duping this pear clay jar from Maison that retails for $111. I was at Goodwill and I spotted this vase that screams 90s Southwest pottery to me. It's totally not my style, but I felt like it had potential, so I bought it for $6.49. Mine is more textured than the Maison jar, but I thought I could get the same look with it. So the first thing I did was mix the paint colors Hazelnut by Waverly and Coffee Bean by Folk Art together to get a medium brown color. Now I'm going to paint the entire vase with that color. Once I had that painted, I went through my paint and I picked out a bunch of paint colors in different shades of brown. I chose Sandstone by Waverly, Brown Oxide by Apple Barrel, Light Mocha by Apple Barrel, Territorial Beige by Apple Barrel, Desert Tan by Hello Hobby, and Hazelnut by Waverly. I poured out a little of each color and then I started sponging them onto the vase with the sea sponge. And I am totally being random with the colors at first and really just experimenting. And I occasionally look at the inspo piece so that I can try to get the same look. After looking at the inspo, I realized that I needed to add more of the lighter colors than I was doing originally. So now I'm adding on a bunch of the Territorial Beige, but leaving some of that original darker brown showing through. Now I wanted to make the bottom of the vase darker so that it looks like it's been sitting around in the mud and the bottom has gotten stained from the ground. So I'm going to add the color Cafe Noir around the bottom edge and then lighten it up some by blending it out with the color Territorial Beige. Then I'm going to add just a bit of the Cafe Noir to the top of the vase. Now I'm going to start adding in some of the lighter tan shades to the vase. And with these colors, I am tapping them on with the sponge, but also wiping them in a horizontal direction in some spots. And I'm just going to continue adding these lighter shades over the entire pot, making sure that I leave some of the darker brown and medium brown layers showing. And once I am happy with the coverage of these lighter shades, this project is complete. And again, here's the inspiration piece, and here's mine. What do you guys think? For the second project, I will be duping this vase from Pottery Barn that is currently sold out. But they have some that are similar that are priced at $129. I found this vase at Goodwill for $5.49 and I thought it would work well for this project. So the first thing I did was take it outside and spray paint it with white semi-gloss paint. After I finished painting it with the white though, I decided that it was a little too bright. So then I painted over the white with some of this satin heirloom white, and I like that color a lot better. Now I'm taking the color Hazelnut by Waverly and I'm going to mix it with some baking soda to get a more textured paint. Then I'm going to paint the bottom half of the vase with the textured paint. The Pottery Barn has some spots in the white area where the glaze is peeling off, so now I'm going to add on some spots like that on my vase. I added some paint onto a large brush and then I dabbed it onto the vase in certain areas, including on the handles and on the top lip of the vase. And if you feel like you have added too much paint in an area like I did here, it can easily be wiped off while the paint is still wet. And you can see I'm using a baby wipe to wipe off some of the paint where I thought it looked too crowded. Now I'm going to be using the colors Hazelnut, Coffee Bean, Sandstone, and Cafe Noir to add some more dimension to the bottom painted section. And I'm going to do that by blending those colors together along the bottom area. And you can see I'm just dipping my paintbrush into a couple of the colors and then blending them together on the pot. And once I'm happy with the way it looks, this project is complete. Once again, here's the Pottery Barn vase, and here's mine. Let me know what you think. I love being able to recreate expensive decor pieces at a fraction of the cost by using thrifted items. Let me know how you think I did, and if you have any suggestions of decor pieces I should do, let me know. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful to you. If you liked today's video, some easy and completely free ways to help support my channel and help it grow so that I can keep bringing you more ideas are to subscribe if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, leave me a quick comment or even just an emoji, and share this video with anyone that you think might enjoy it. I truly appreciate your support, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!